India Business Hour. Now, India's inflation, which hit a 15-month high of 7.4% in July, has come as a shock. A large portion of the blame for this surge in consumer price index has been laid at the door of food prices, which came in at 11.5% against 4.5% in the month of June and 6.69% in July of 2022. Sapna Das reports that while this high inflation print is hitting all of India, many states find themselves particularly in a tough spot, with either urban or retail inflation in the double digit. Take a look.
Tomato prices have been going through the roof, hitting over 200 rupees per kilogram in some pockets. This has forced the government to take emergency action, from increasing procurement from mandis and selling tomatoes at highly subsidized rates in various areas. But it's not just tomato prices that have contributed to a sharp spike in food inflation. Other vegetables and grains have also become dearer due to unseasonal rainfall, heat waves and delayed monsoons hurting crops. So much so that retail inflation in vegetables came in at 37.43% in July, while the rate of price rise in cereals and products came in at 13%. However, the overall CPI reading of 7.44% does not really paint a true picture of rising prices across India. Granular data shows that state-level inflation is often much higher. Government data shows that among the 22 major states counted, Rajasthan and Jharkhand have clocked the highest consumer price inflation in July at over 9% each. 7 other states, led by Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Uttarakhand and Telangana, have clocked inflation rates in excess of 8%. Inflation in Karnataka, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Kerala has come in between 6 and 8%. So in effect, 16 of the 22 states have retail inflation that is above the upper band of RBI's comfort level. West Bengal is the only state with retail inflation a tad below 6%, and only 2 states, Assam and Delhi, have clocked retail inflation at below 4%. In some of these states, urban inflation has entered the double digits. It's above 10.4% in both Uttarakhand and Rajasthan, and just a whisker below 9.9% in Odisha. For Uttarakhand, low rural inflation has helped pull the overall inflation number down, but other states have not been so lucky. Jharkhand, Telangana, Haryana, Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan have all clocked rural inflation above 9%.
Galloping food inflation, especially the surge in vegetable prices, has probably queered the pitch for India's inflation management. The centre is also left with very limited tools to cool off prices. However, a number of economists that CNBC-TV18 spoke to say that the surge in vegetable prices is probably a very transient phenomenon. Next month onwards, in September, for example, a lot of economists are expecting tomato prices to crash to 30 to 40 rupees a kilo, especially with the arrival of fresh crop. They also expect other vegetable prices and cereal prices to trend lower. Now, all of this put together, what impact this is going to have on the coming CPI inflation print is something that we will know on 12 September. In New Delhi, Sapna Das.